Hello, Nester. It's Heidi with Nest Pretty, and I'm coming to you with a little message that I was thinking about today because I had mentioned earlier that sometimes as women we need a little extra support. And so yesterday and today I carried around Clary Sage with me in my pocket, and it was helping me out. And it just reminded me of the little saying that if you don't listen to your body whisper, then you're gonna have to listen to it scream. And it reminded me of this experience I had several years ago. I had woken up early. I got fully dressed, hair, makeup, did my morning routine, which included being in public with 1,000 people, and I felt fine. It was a great day so far. After my morning routine, I turned to my husband and I said, I think I'm gonna go home sick, which I thought was really weird because I felt fine. And he said, okay, go ahead. But because I felt fine, because I had energy, because I was not sick, I went to work anyway. And it was within minutes that I had emotional scuffles with about 3 people. And it was at that moment that I realized that my body had whispered a little message to me that perhaps it would be better for everybody if I stayed home. So I packed up my bags and I went home. And I say all of this to say that sometimes we need to give ourselves a little space and acknowledge and honor what our body is whispering to us. And it may just save us some heartache. If I had listened to my body, I wouldn't have had to go back and apologize to those 3 people. So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty, encouraging you to listen to your body as it whispers to you. And I'm curious if this has ever happened to you. Have you ever ignored a whisper and then had to deal with the scream? I'd love to hear from you.